Some people say everything is better with butter. I say everything is best with coconut milk. Yes, I am hooked on coconut milk. It makes dishes creamier and adds a bit of nutty sweet goodness to every bite. For this dish, we will use Baguio canola oil. Canola oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acid and it's perfect for sautéing, stir-frying, grilling, and baking. Now I'm going to turn on the heat to medium. For the canola oil, our oil is ready. I'm going to add the onions and continue to saute it until it's translucent. Add the garlic. Add the tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes slowly until they're soft and tender. This ensures that all its juices come out. Time to add the shrimps. Season the shrimps with salt and pepper. And continue to cook the shrimps. Now I'm going to add our coconut milk. Add the lemongrass to add citrusy and lemony flavor to make it more tropical. Add the brown sugar so that it will have a little bit of sweetness flavor. Give it a good stir. Now, I'm going to add the buko or the coconut meat. Going to add more texture in our dish, which is more exciting. Season the sauce with salt. Pepper. Give it a good stir. And you let it simmer for about 5 minutes.